Hi everyone, I'm Naomi. Welcome to Naomi's Filipino Kitchen, where all my Filipino recipes are all presented in English. Today's recipe is chicken adobo with pineapple. Wait until the end of this video for a sneaky peek of some of my other recipes. Here are the ingredients of my pineapple chicken adobo. Chicken, cooking oil, onion, garlic, bay leaves, soy sauce, vinegar, pineapple, pineapple juice, and ground black pepper. Now let's burn off the chicken. Now let's get heat on the pan. Once the oil is hot, add the chicken, skin side down. After 2 minutes, turn the chicken over to brown the other side. At this point, you can add the garlic. Prepare the garlic until it turns golden brown. Once it turns golden brown, just add the onion. Stir, mix it up until onion turns soft. Now season the pineapple chicken adobo with ground black pepper. Stir. And add the bay leaves. Soy sauce, vinegar. Now I'm gonna add the pineapple to my chicken pineapple adobo. Now I'm gonna add the pineapple juice to my pineapple chicken adobo. Cover and bring it to boil. Now it's boiling, just reduce the heat to medium. After half an hour, let's give everything a stir. Let's turn the chicken over to soak the other side. Guys, cook the chicken for the final 15 minutes without a lid to reduce the liquid. Wow guys, the smells of my pineapple chicken adobo are amazing. After 45 minutes, my chicken adobo with pineapple is now ready to serve and enjoy with rice. Now let's taste it. Now that's a delicious chicken pineapple adobo. I hope you enjoyed my chicken adobo with pineapple today. And if you like it, then like it. If you love it, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon.